was talking over the back fence. Simple saying, standing back against the wall. Someone shouting for something that you showed me. Something green or blue, I know what I want to do. I want to look. I want to look.
Alright, this is a story about somebody who was feeling really rotten and depressed. They came around to visit me the other day and said, look, I just can't hack this anymore. I'm really getting so depressed about it. I'm taking Valium and all sorts of drugs. And I said, what you've got to do is you've got to go out and you've got to spend some money. You know, money? She said, how can I spend money? I've just got a dole check. And I said, well, next dole check will just have to go into making you feel happier or something. She said, okay, all right, I'll do that. And I said, okay, catch a train into town. When you go into town, you should buy a dress and come back and show me and parade it around the room and you'll feel so much better. If that doesn't work, maybe you should dye your hair. But you've really got to stop taking those pills because they're making you feel so awful and I'll end up losing you if you keep taking them. I really don't know what to say anymore. Maybe I should just keep on with the song. There's not much moral there. Especially if you don't want a dog.
The back fence. Simple saying, standing back against the wall. Someone shouting for something that you showed me. Something green or blue, I know what I want to do. I was talking over the back fence. Simple saying, standing back against over the back fence. Someone shouting for something green or was talking over the back fence.